This is D from GameXTC, and today I'm going to walk you through how to set up your gcloader SD card. Now, before we jump into the video, please subscribe to our channel and feel free to check us out on eBay at GameXTC. You'll get valuable information on leveling up your video game hardware and software. In order to play gcloader games, you need to have the gcloader software. The link's in the description. Scroll down the page and look for the file that says Swiss_R1592.7z. Click on the link so it starts to download. And it's as simple as that. Something to be mindful of is that your Gamecube needs a FAT32 formatted SD card, and anything above 32 gigabytes, Windows can't natively format it, which means you need to download another software. This is where GUI format comes into it. Download and put in your SD card that you want to use for your gcloader, and make sure you identify the correct drive. You don't want to get this part wrong. Then you want to extract your Swiss folder. Delete the zipped one and then open up GUI format. Then give your SD card a name. In this case, I've called it subscribed, and then click start. Go into your Swiss folder, click gcloader, and add the boot file to the root of your SD card. You can eject, and now it's time to format your mini SD. I've decided to call this one GameXTC. You then go to your Swiss folder, click the .dol folder, and add the .dol file to the root of your SD card. Then rename it igr.doyle. Add your games, and then eject. Then it's the easy part, which is simply just placing your SD cards into your Gamecube. Once you fire up your Gamecube, there's a couple of things that you need to change. Press B, go into settings, and change the in-game reset to igr.doyle. Also, change the configuration device to SD card SD2SP2. Yeah, it's a bit of a mouthful. Then click the save and exit button. Then select the eject icon. Scroll to the right, which is the SD card SD2SP2. Click your A button, and then your game should load. Enjoy. Then finally click A to boot your game.
Super Mario Sunshine! Woohoo!